Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Let's go straight to our daily analysis. But before we go there, yesterday at least the market did push to the upside, but very aggressive. So if you still remember yesterday, guys, I said we have, it's not actually a special, but it's actually something that maybe might help few people. We have 12-month signal, which is actually $39 or 500 if you are in South Africa. So if you want to be part of that team, just let me know. If you want to be part of the team. So for those who wants the robot, actually it's still on $155 dollars. Actually, we're going to change that. Actually, this week that is going to change. Actually, next week Monday that is going to change to 250. I've been postponing, so there is no limit. Actually, currently there is no limit. If you just want to be part of the team, if you want to get your robot, then just let me know. Just know that currently I no longer actually offer mentorship. I will only offer the signals, which you can actually get currently for only $29 or maybe 500 if you are in South Africa. I hope you can see that. The robot is still $155. The next week, I'm repeating this because I know people, they're going to just say, hey Kenzo, I saw the price, this and that. No. You see now, until this Sunday, is going to be $155. Next week is going to be $250. The reason behind that is because I know that you're going to recover your money. You're going to make something. And plus, mostly when you add people with smaller amounts, most of the time, those people, they seriously bother. So I no longer want to be bothered with people who just paid $10. So I hope you understand that. I hope you understand that. So let's go actually on our analysis. Actually, what happened yesterday is there was some news. Actually, there was a meeting, FOMC meeting, later actually around 8 o'clock. That actually pushed the market to like seriously go crazy. I did send this signal in the group. You can see that. It's not like maybe I knew that the market was going to go up, but the structure was actually giving us some straightforward move. And you know what? I sent this by pending order. And later on, if it was still on, obviously you made something. Touched your take profit and just moved higher and higher. So that is actually good. But we are very close to what? Our resistance. So, but the best thing that I can do is let me start with but it's fine. I can just start with NASDAQ. It's fine. As I already started. So here we have our structure. We have our own structure, which shows us that, you know what? The market is actually on a downtrend. This is a resistant line that we've been using for quite some time. And it seems like the market is pushing towards that. The market is pushing towards this area. Maybe the market will push down. Like here, you saw that even back there. So that's how the market was moving. So yeah, now we can easily say, let's zoom a little bit closer and try to see what's really happening. You can see that this resistance is very close. I wish my people did smash this one if maybe they did hold that pending order for quite some time, since the market was not actually moving that much. So you can see that yes, on top here, that resistance is now like seriously very close. But this area, this point here, you can see that it's actually quite similar point where our previous area, we did have an area around that area. Even when we go back, we also have some other things. You see that? So I like the fact that actually happened there, because it shows that there is enough chance for the market to do what? To bounce back from this area. There is that chance. Or maybe the market can do what? Can then break out of that and start to push to the upside. I hope you see that. There is a chance for the market to push to the upside. So now I think it's much better for me to say, let's mark this area. Why not? We have to mark this area, and you can easily see that, you know what, there is a chance for the market to do what, to push lower and lower. So what do we what are we supposed to do if the market pushes up here? I think that is going to be way too simple for us, because we actually have a resistance, we actually have another resistance. So if the market breaks here, we're not going to just jump on that, because the market can respect this area and push lower. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to wait for the market to break out of this resistance before I take that buy. Or what I'm going to do what? Currently, it's better for me to say, you know what, since we did smash this one, it's fine. Maybe we can have a nice sell from this, because that it shows us that, you know what, that is an area which the market used to respect. Plus, we are still on a downtrend. Remember, we don't do that on a bigger time frame. You can either go on 1 hour time frame and see, or 15 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, and see if maybe this is not really that far, because there's a chance for the market to sell off again. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Sorry, this is S&P. We also smashed this, so I'm not supposed to go there. I'm supposed to actually go down. Yeah, S&P 500 also touched our resistance. So there is a chance for the market to do what? Maybe to push lower or to break that area. So let's push lower. Let's push lower on US30. So what do we see on US30? We see that, yes, the market was actually on a very, very, very nice uptrend. Then the market, if you check that, the market broke out. And I've been preaching about this, and I said, you know what? Sometimes the market wants to adjust the trend. Sometimes the market just wants to adjust the trend. Guess what? Later on, the market actually confirmed that. It's not like I knew, but you know, sometimes experience can help you to see other things that other people don't actually see. So you can see that actually the market pushed lower. We already had a buy pending order. Then the market just shot up and stuff like that. You see that actually that bullish move was actually there, which means we actually not on a downtrend. The market was just adjusting this trend. The market was actually adjusting our trend line. So yes, we are still on that bullish move. Yes, we're gonna change whatever that we're gonna do here and try to make sure that we draw some very nice lines, support lines. But for now, we have a structure which we can call a resistance area, which we can do what? We can say when the market comes here around this area, once it bounces back here, we can still continue with that. But I hope my people did smash in the group. I hope you did it in the group. If you did smash that, please let me know on the comment section. Let me know if you did smash that. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. So this one, I thought maybe the market was going to respect our resistance. You can see actually this is US oil. The market was going down very nice. I thought maybe the market, since the market was just playing games around that area, I thought maybe the market wants to respect that resistance. And you know what? We had a very nice a sell stop there, which was not actually activated. So what's really happening now is the market broke out, and we can see some very nice retest there. So what we can do is we can just conclude and say, since the market just broke out, it means that the market actually wants to change the trend. The trend, firstly, the trend was actually a downtrend. Now we might be moving to a downtrend. Do you see that? So it means, sorry, now we might move into an uptrend. So something like that. So which means we have to have some nice buy positions above these areas. We can have something like this and say, if the market breaks that smaller resistance, we're gonna take a very nice buy. Remember, on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes. If you want the signals, yes, we still have that. opportunity for you. Actually, I meant this, I did this for you guys, for those who maybe don't actually have enough to join the team. You see, something like that. So I'm expecting the market to keep pushing higher and higher. So these signals will be sent in the group, by the way. So what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting the market to push up as we just broken out of the resistance. So for those who wants to be part of the team, that is something that maybe you can afford, I guess. Then just let me know. Just WhatsApp me. You can get the link on the description. So the robot, as I said, as I repeated, robot is 155. We're not going down, we're going up, higher and higher. So we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? Gold. Gold is actually, yeah, seriously pushing to the upside. So this is quite similar to what we saw actually on US30 or whatever that was happening on US30. The reason behind that is we have a very nice uptrend, which the market just broke out. And I said that, you know, sometimes once we break out of this a stronger support, but it's very steep. You can see that. Mostly we say the market is about to do what? To change the direction or the trend, just to do what? To go lower. Just know that it's not like it's when we say that it's like the market has to do that. Sometimes the market just wants to adjust that trend. You see, this was very steep. So the market won't keep up with trends like that. So the market has to come back, maybe consolidate, continue with the trend. Then the next time when we draw the trend, it is going to make sense. Unlike drawing something like that, you see. So the market won't keep up with that. It's easier for the market to crash. So now I think the market wants to create the same thing. It seems like the market wants to do what? To push the upside. If we draw something there, I think you can see that the market maybe wants to respect that area, but you can wait for the market to create that for you. The market will always create something for you that you can rely on almost every time. You can see around this area, it's something. But if maybe you feel like this is far, you can wait. The market can always create something for you. You are not forced to always look at your left hand side because sometimes you get so much stuff or so much information which is going to confuse you at the end of the day. So every day or every time the market will always confirm some areas and create this those areas for you, so you don't actually have to worry about like 3 months back structures, you see. So let's push to the next one. Yeah, this is German, whatever. This is German 30, German. I think this is fine. For now, it's fine. Let me check other pairs because maybe they also created some crazy moves. Bitcoin seems to be trying to recover. Let's see the other ones. Oh, Euro JPY seems to be on our support area. You can see that, which means there is a chance for us to do what? To take it where it is actually as a buy pending order, to jump on that. Yeah, so let's push to the next one. Euro USD still on that consolidation move, but still on an uptrend. USD CAD, okay, a reversal, very aggressive reversal. Okay. USD JPY also selling. We saw this one, and I don't know if everyone's still holding that, but I did send that like quite some time. GBP, AUD, everything is playing out very nice. Okay, so yeah, I think maybe everything's fine, guys. I think everything's fine, straightforward. So if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Our robot, it's currently $155. And for everyone who wants to be part of the team, actually the signals, it's $29. But anyways, for those who don't maybe see whatever that I'm trying to give them here, these are the actual packages. These are the actual packages. I hope you can see that. You can see actually monthly it's $45. Now you're getting 12 months actually for $29. That's crazy, because that 12 months is actually $150. But actually next week Monday, everything will be back on normal. We're going to continue with this pricing, but actually we're no longer going to offer 6 months. We're no longer going to offer monthly. We're just going to stick to actually 12 months. So I hope you understand. Sorry, I was just sneezing. So I hope you understand. I hope you understand that we're no longer going to offer all of most of those stuff. We're going to stick with 12 months only, and also the robot. 12 months signals. I mean, 12 months actually VIP signals, and also the robot, which is currently $150. So whatever that you see, we're going to scratch. Then we're gonna left with only two things. I'm no longer going to offer any mentorship. So if you want, or my recommended broker, it's actually XM, and currently if you can join them, you're gonna get 100% deposit bonus, and that bonus you can even lose your current deposit, and that bonus will be there. It won't just disappear or go, or like other brokers how they do stuff. So I hope you can try to check that. And actually if you want to join them, there's a link below. Just try to check that link, then you can join the team. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.